How to use Wing for video quality. Open the Wing application. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to enhance the video quality, you'll have to find the tool for Quality Enhancer. At top, you can see this option for Quality Enhancer. Tap on it. Now you can select the option for General or Scenario over here. If you tap on the option General, you can access these particular options. If you tap on the option Scenario, you can select the specific scenario. According to the scenario that you use, the quality will be enhanced. Tap on the option Try Now. Now select the videos and photos of your choice. You can select up to 20 videos or images. Here I am going to select this video. Tap on the option Start after you're done. Over here you can see three options: Original, Ultra HD, Portrait. Tap on the option of your choice. I am going to tap on the option Ultra HD. Now wait for it to be processed. Now the processing has been completed. You can also enable the intensity if you want. For that, tap on the option Enable Intensity. Now once you do that, the quality will be enhanced. You can see the before and after over here. You can see the comparison. The before video had very low quality. The after video has a high quality. If you're satisfied with it, tap on the option Save that you can see at top. Wait for a while and it will be saved on your device. So like this, you'll be able to use Wing for video quality. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.